what? It's fine. It's really fine. It's all my fault. Like, it has been my fault from the starting. I gave you my time, I gave you my attention, I gave you my love, I gave you my care. And now what did I get? You didn't only break my heart, but you pieces my heart. My mom warned me. My friends talked to me. My mom tried to put me together and let me to know that you are just a fool. But I never listened to anybody, never. Because I thought you loved me with everything. It's all my fault. It's all my fault. Like, I can't believe. You know what? It's fine. It's really fine. It's really okay. Like, it's fine. You broke my heart, pieces my heart. You've been cheating on me on this relationship from the past, and I knew it, but I was just a fool. I was so much in love with you that I couldn't see the red lights from the starting. But it's fine, though. And let me tell you something. I'm not going to cry for you any longer. I'm not going to shed my tears for you any longer. You love to see me cry, and doesn't make you feel like a king, like I'm a hero when you see me cry. I'm not going to do this for you any longer. No, I'm done. I'll mend my heart and keep it for the right person. It's all good. It's fine. Thank you so much for this. Thank you.